Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so nothing blocks the fix. First, plug the HyperX Cloud 3 into the PC using the supplied USB adapter, then try the 3.5mm cable to compare behavior. Once done, open System Sound Settings and ensure the headset is selected as output and input device. Make sure volume sliders are up and not muted. You should also check firmware or OS updates now, because outdated drivers often cause no sound issues and prevent further steps from working. You now handle the software layer where most conflicts hide. Uninstall the USB audio device in Device Manager, restart, and let Windows reinstall drivers, or download HyperX firmware if available. Next, open your sound control panel and set the headset to 48K Hz, 16-bit, and disable exclusive mode so apps don't steal audio. Once done, launch HyperX Ingenuity or your audio control app to confirm the headset is recognized and that virtual surround or EQ isn't muting. You finish by isolating and verifying the repair. Play audio in a browser, a media player, and a communication app to see if the problem is app-specific. If channels remain quiet, perform a firmware reset or factory default through HyperX tools. This often clears corrupted profiles. Once done, swap USB ports, try a different cable, and test the headset on a phone or another PC. If nothing changes, remember one troubleshooting tip. Intermittent silence often points to a faulty cable or USB dongle. Replace that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.